I'm sure you guys can tell by the title of this video. Today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing video, try-on version. I absolutely love Boxycharm. If you guys do not know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. Monthly subscription box that is $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, and sometimes they sneak in a 6th one, which is so awesome. Boxycharm videos are absolutely like one of my most favorite videos to film, or just to, I love getting Boxycharm because literally like 90% of my products that I use on a daily come from Boxycharm. There are some products that I get in it and I'm just like, don't really care about it, might use it again, might not, but most of the time it's just stuff that I love or have been wanting. Alright, so yeah, we're just going to go ahead and get into the video. The first product we got is this Sol de something, I don't know, but I know everyone talks about this. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It absolutely smells so amazing. It just smells like the beach. It smells like coconuts and suntan oil and all that kind of stuff. It smells so good. It's a little mini size, but I know this will last me forever. So anyways, of course I started out with my foundation just because it would be too many steps after using this, but I did put this on I did put this on before, but I did really love it. I can't give you guys like the full tea on it yet because I gotta wear it throughout the day and see how it lets my skin go. But I know most people love this, and I got this little booklet thing that came in it and tells me how much everything costs. And this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is $10. Alright, so the next thing we got in the box was this Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion little collection. So we actually get Luxie brushes a lot, and I always love the Luxie brushes that I get. I don't have these ones yet. So I love my Luxie brushes that I get, so I don't see myself not enjoying these, but we'll see because they are a little weird shaped, so we will see. So we have the 660 Precision Foundation Brush. It looks like this. I wouldn't use this for foundation, but I don't really use foundation brushes anyway, so I don't know really how they work. I don't know, blending your foundation in with this doesn't seem like my cup of tea, so I'm going to use it to contour and kind of bronze up a little bit. And then we got the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. I do see myself putting powder on my face with this, but I'm going to use it for blush today because why not? And then we got the 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush. I feel like this is going to be my new favorite highlighting brush because I'm just kind of feeling it and like how it's going to be blending. I have yet to find a new highlighting brush. Okay, so this little trio collection is $42, which is like crazy. $42. So I'm going to go in with the 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush and just go in with my e.l.f. blush. And I'm just going to pick it up and just kind of place it on the cheeks. Yeah, I feel like that's a good blush brush. I could see myself using this for powder though. No, not under the eyes, but just like powder on the face. But I might use it as blush as well. One of my favorite blush brushes is the Luxie, I believe it's the 216 brush. I might be wrong, but it's my favorite, and I did get it from my Boxycharm. And now we're going to go in with the 660 Precision Foundation Brush. And I'm going to go in with my Butter Bronzer and pick that up and just kind of tap it off. And we're going to start kind of bronzing up the face. I feel like this would be definitely like really good for contouring, but I'm not trying to contour today. I'm trying to like actually blend it out. It's like super soft. Like this is a really soft brush. So I am liking it so far, but I think I just need to use it for contour, not bronzer, because it's giving me more of a sharp line than I want. So I gotta blend a little harder. Okay, I'm actually really liking this brush. It's so soft on the face. It is blending pretty nicely. It's more sharp, so it's less wide, so it is better for contour, but it did give me like a nice contour line, so I am really liking this so far. And now I'm just gonna spray my face with my NYX Matte Finishing Spray. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking my Jeffree Star Mani MUA Uranus highlighter, and I'm going to go in with their 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush and pick up some of that highlight, and let's see how this blends. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This brush is just so soft. Like it feels so soft, and I feel like it's giving me like a lot of highlighting brushes give me like a sharp line, and I like it to be blended. And this is blending it because it's so sharp, or not sharp, it's so soft, and it's giving me a nice highlight. All right, this is already gonna be like a new favorite of mine. I don't know if it's better than the one I'm using now. I kind of gotta keep using it and all that, but right now I'm really liking it. All right, so this is $42. The box is $21 a month. That's already double the price pretty much. So this set right here, I really like the foundation brush as a bronzing contour brush. It's really soft. The highlighting brush is bomb. This is the bomb.com. So I already know I'm gonna be loving this. This one, the dual fiber brush, isn't my favorite, but it did apply the blush nicely. I feel like it's a good blush brush, but it's like, it's weird. I don't like these kind of brushes. All right, so the next thing we got in this box was this palette. This is $28. So I'm not good at pronouncing this. This is the Almar Cosmetics Rina del Caribe, I don't know, palette. It looks like this. It's absolutely beautiful. This is what I'm most excited about in the palette. Mine actually already looks swatched. It's not, but I think it was just a clear thing that pushed on it, but these colors look absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch one of them because this one right here is calling my name. It's just standing out. So I gotta swatch it. Let's see. It's looking good. Let's see. God, that is so pretty. I don't think I have a color like this. It's like a greenish kind of gold color, but it's so pretty. That looks so pretty on the hand. Oh my goodness. Hopefully we love this palette. So again, this is $28. The box is $21. You already get something that's more. All right, so I'm just taking this Morphe E17 brush and I'm gonna go into the color Tropico. It's like a reddish little peachy pink shade right here, and I'm gonna start out. Holy crap, that is pigmented as fuck. Ooh, shit, look at all that fallout on my palette. I don't know if you guys can see that. Holy crap. All right, so I'm just taking that color and I'm gonna start pushing this into the crease. I'm not gonna worry about blending it right this second, but I'm just gonna worry about like getting the color built up because I'm gonna try a new technique. Shouldn't try a new technique while filming a review video, but that's what I'm gonna do. So far this color is super pigmented. It does have a lot of fallout, like I already have tons right here and I just wiped some more on my face, but that's okay because you can always just do your foundation last. That looks super pretty, so I'm gonna put it into the other eye now. I feel like it's gonna blend out pretty good. I don't see it having any problems blending because as I'm pushing the color in, I already see some, you know, some of it blending. All right, now I'm going into the color with a blending brush, the color Cocoa Taxi, which is that orange color right there. And I'm gonna start using that to blend out the top part and crease part of that color. Okay, so far it's blending really nicely actually, and that crease color looks so good blending out the top of that color. Those look really good together. The Tropico like pinkish color is kind of blending away, so I'm going to add some more into it. It starts to lose its color a little bit when you blend it, but all shadows do. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the same brush and going into this red color right here. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of it. I'm just going to go in with it. And I'm just going to basically put it the same places just to kind of darken up and add a little bit more color into the crease. Try to use as many eyeshadows as I can from this. And now I'm going to go in with the Morphe M506 brush and just going to the brown color in the palette. And I'm going to use this to kind of deepen the crease just very lightly, just because I kind of want to use as many colors as possible. Ooh, that brown is really pretty. It's a lot darker than I thought it would show up. Looks really good. Ooh, that is a very pigmented. These are very pigmented, as I'm telling so far. Like, these are super pigmented. Normally I can't get brown to show up that dark in my crease, and I have to use like a black shade, but this one is working amazing. Alright, so I'm switching into this Morphe R38 brush. I think it's an R38 brush, the name wiped off. But I'm just going to be blending the brown. And I'm just going back in and just adding a little bit more because I'm trying to create like a good look with this and not just test all the shades. Okay, wow, so far these are blending so beautifully. They do have like a ton of fallout, but that's whatever. But I'm gonna go back into that brush we were using the brown with. I did wipe it off and go back into that peachy kind of color right there. And I'm just gonna run that under my eyes. And I'm just taking a flat brush and going into the brown and just adding it in. These are so pigmented. Like they scare me when I first put them on because they're so like dark and they look not blended. But then you go through and they blend like nothing. So I feel like these palettes, like even though it does have fallout, if you tap it off, it doesn't get on your face. But like where I first messed up right there, I didn't tap it off. So just tap it off before putting on your eyes and you should be good. All right, now I'm just taking a flat brush and going into that beautiful greenish goldish shade right there. And I'm picking it up. And that looks pigmented as well. And I'm going to be spraying my brush. And we're going to lay this on the lid. Holy crap-a-ole. That looks so pretty. Oh my god. This is going to be like my new favorite eyeshadow shade. Maybe even like favorite palette. This is good. Holy moly. That is the most pigmented eyeshadow shade I think I've ever used. Wow. That looks so good. I just can't like get over it. Like I thought I was gonna wipe my makeup off after I get done with this and go take a bath or shower. But I don't know. I might just want to keep this on and keep staring at it for a little bit because this is super pretty. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. That color is so pretty. I really want to use the other shades, but I don't know how to incorporate them without looking crazy. All right, I'm just taking a little bit more of that brown and of course tapping it off and then laying it to kind of blend out the glittery shade. All right, so we used 5 shades out of 8 and I think I can enough say that this palette is awesome. The colors are so pigmented. When I first put them on, I was like, putting it on and I was like, man, this is like super pigmented. I don't think it's gonna blend out. But as I was blending, it just blended super easy. Oh my goodness, the metallic shade is so pretty. I'm gonna swatch the light blue shade and the dark blue shade. Okay, those are super pigmented. Look at that. Those look good too. So I don't expect anything else. That gold shade that's on my lid is so pretty. It's so pigmented. I don't even think I have a color like this. It's so unique. It's got like green reflex of gold in it. So pretty. All right, so the next thing we got was this Jante Blue brown eyeliner. And we've gotten Jante Blue before, and they're a pretty cheaper brand, and I know I've looked them up before, but I need to look them up and like buy some more of their products because they're normally really good. But this is $5, so let's see how this is. Just a brown pencil eyeliner. I'm just gonna rub this a little bit on the lash line because we're gonna be putting on false lashes. And I'm going to rub this on the back of the hand to get some pigment off, and then I'm going to rub this in my waterline. Alright, this is my Care Bears. Her name is Kira. She came to say hey. Say hey. And here's Kellen. He came to say hey too. Say hi to the cameras. Say hi. Alright, so these are the Baddington Monroe 3 Silk Lashes. They're $28. I mean, that's more than the box again. But as I was looking at this, it does on the back say made in China. As you guys know, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so I don't use anything that isn't cruelty-free. So I looked them up and they say that they are cruelty-free, but if you're made in China, I I don't know. So I don't know, because cosmetic stuff like makeup, powder, all that has to be tested. If it's made in China, it's a rule. So I don't know about that for being with lashes, because I mean, it could just be like fake fur or whatever. So I'm just not gonna use them today. They're lashes, I can't expect them to suck. They do look really pretty, but I have to do more research. So I'm just gonna go in with mascara and just put it on my top and bottom lashes. Alright, so the next thing we got was this Ofra liquid lipstick. This is in the color Verona. It is $21. We've gotten Ofra in the box many times before, and I do love the lipsticks. So, and actually, I'll never forget, I wanted these so bad, like these liquid lipsticks forever, for years, and then I got it in my box and I freaked out. I think it was like, it wasn't like a regular liquid lipstick, it was like a metallic, like purpley shade, but either way, I still freaked out because I had always wanted Ofra, and only have like 3 lipsticks from them, and they pretty much all came from my Boxycharm. So we're just gonna put this on the lips. Okay, this color is so freaking pretty, and this formula is so amazing. It just went on so nice. It feels so thin. It doesn't feel like crusty. So I don't know if this is like a satin or not, because it's not drying matte yet, and it feels so comfortable on the lips. I am loving it. Alright, so that is everything in this month's box, this Boxycharm. So the total of this Boxycharm was $134. You literally pay $21 a month and you just get tons of products to try out. Even if you don't like everything, you probably wanted to try it out in some point in your life. So it's so cool that you get to try out everything to see if you like it or not, and you only pay $21 a month, so you're not paying the full like $42 for a set you don't like or something. So anyways, the Luxie brushes, I really liked the highlighting and the foundation brush. These are so bomb, so soft and nice. This one is whatever. I do feel like it's nice, but I feel like I won't pick it up that much. And then we have the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which smells so amazing. The smell itself makes it like me want it. Like literally it's $10. So I have to test this out some more. It does feel nice like on my skin when I put it on, but I have to wear it throughout the day. So after I take a shower and wash this off, I probably will put this on. And then we have the Jante Blue brown eyeliner pencil. This is pretty good. I like it. I probably will use it more. It's not my favorite. It's not the best, but it is pretty good and it is pigmented. And for the lashes, I don't expect them to be bad. I feel like they look really gorgeous in the box, but I can't risk using them if they're not cruelty free, because it does say made in China on the back. So I really can't risk. I don't know if that like means anything, because it says cruelty free, so I'm assuming they're not like mink hair, if that's what you guys use. I don't know, but I can't risk it. But they do look good and I can't expect them to be bad. And then this liquid lipstick is so good. It looks so good on my skin. I have very dry lips naturally, like everything like crust up on my lips, and this looks so nice and smooth. It looks so good. This color is so pretty, and the formula is very lightweight, which I am loving, and it doesn't feel like it's crusting up my lips. And then last but not least, we have this Almar Cosmetics palette. Looks like this. Again, this is so bomb. This is the bomb.com. I'm probably gonna use this more just so I can use more of the colors, but honestly, like literally I'd pay $28 for just this shade alone, like this right here, the shade, bomb.com. But literally, honestly, like they're so pigmented. They do have tons of fallout, but like I didn't have a problem once I tapped off my brush and went in. I didn't have any fallout on my face. You could always do your foundation last. I mean, most people do that anyways, but they blended out so nicely. Like they were so pigmented and they scared me, but once I started blending, they went like nothing. So this right here, the bomb.com. I'd literally pay $21 a month just to get this. Like, so yeah, that is everything in this month's box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you like seeing me do these kinds of videos, because I really do love trying out new products and trying out the Boxycharm. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.